Here are some of the best AI girlfriend websites and apps that are free to use. Let's go through them one by one. The first one is Nomi AI. It's designed to help you create a personal AI companion that can grow with you over time. When you start, it asks what kind of connection you're looking for, whether it's friendship, a mentor, a romantic partner, or just roleplay. After that, you choose the gender of your AI, and then you get to fully customize them. You can pick their name, personality traits, hobbies, and even how they look. There are both realistic and anime-style options, depending on what you prefer. Once you're done setting things up, just tap to start chatting. And from there, your AI starts learning and interacting with you like a real companion. Next is Janitor AI. What stands out about this one is that it's completely free and doesn't place any limits on how many messages you can send. Right at the top of the website, you'll see two options, limited and limitless, which basically control whether or not adult content is visible. Janitor AI gives you access to a massive library of characters, over 30,000, each with their own personality and background. You can scroll through and find someone you like or create your own custom character from scratch. It's mainly focused on chatting though, since it doesn't have image generation or photo sharing features yet. The last one is Candy AI. This one works across all platforms, so whether you're on your phone or computer, it's easy to access. You can either pick from a wide range of pre-made characters or create your own from the ground up. You get full control over their age, appearance, personality, and even their backstory. One unique thing here is that you can also generate private AI images based on your custom character. There's a feature called My AI, which stores your conversations, photos, and settings in one place. You can also decide how your AI should speak or behave depending on the type of connection you're looking for. And that's a quick look at some of the best free AI girlfriend platforms you can try right now.